Hi, my name is Agnes. I'm from Hong Kong, and I'm graduating from the Advanced Diploma of Hospitality this year with a commercial cookery focus. Like me, I have received heaps of support from the teachers and staff in CIT in the past 2 years. The teachers are professional and share with us the practical cooking skills and tips for a commercial cooking environment. We have the real and fully equipped kitchens to serve external customers. Even though CIT Cafe was not operating during the lockdown, but the teachers are working hard to arrange the simulating environment for us. We can chat, we can seek advice from them whenever we need it. And obviously, it is a great networking place for your potential work. Not only the teacher help, but also the CIT International Officer, Student Service, and Counseling Service in CIT. So as I said, you are fully supported here. I really enjoyed my time in CIT.